Welcome to the VeriPic Evidence Pad tutorial to record a video. To record a video, tap the video button. To prevent any interruptions in your recording, you may want to place your phone in airplane mode. Tap OK or Never Show Again when prompted. This message is for information only, and you have to put your phone into airplane mode outside of the evidence pad. Tap the red spot to begin recording. Tap the red square to stop recording. Review your video by tapping on the triangular play button. If your recording looks good, tap Use Video. If you want to retake the video, choose Retake. Let's choose Use Video. Press Cancel to go back to the home page. We hope that you have enjoyed your evidence pad training. Please contact us through our website at www.veripic.com if you have any questions or wish to expand your system. If you need to talk to a live person, please call 888-VeriPic. That's 888-837-4742. Thank you.